Subscribe.
Awesome Disney Toys here, and today I'm bringing you a bunch of surprises using this microwave. We're also going to do some Play-Doh magic. I'll start it off with some yellow Play-Doh. So here I have a brand new can of Play-Doh. See? Untouched. I'll put it back in the container and then place it in the microwave. And now we wait. I bet you guys thought this was gonna turn into some type of food. But nope, still just a can of Play-Doh. Or is it? It looks like our Play-Doh melted into slime. Magic! This slime is so squishy and stretchy. And I think there's something inside of it. Oh my gosh, it's an ultra rare Shopkin! This one's name is Mini Mint. Now let's check out this blue Play-Doh. Once again, I'll open it and show you that this is a brand new can of Play-Doh. We'll just put it in our microwave. It's done. It still looks like a regular can of Play-Doh, but inside, it's all melty. The Play-Doh turned into slime. Oh, I definitely see something in this one. It's a My Little Pony. This one's name is Rainbow Dash, and it's my favorite My Little Pony. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. Next up, we have purple. Just regular purple Play-Doh. Let's see if we can create some more magic with our microwave. I hope it creates more slime. And it did! Look at how purple this slime is! And it's so stretchy too. Let's see what's hiding in our purple slime. Oh, hi Daisy Duck! This is a Disney Tsum Tsum, and they're super cute. Next, we'll do some pink Play-Doh. Once again, it's just a regular can of Play-Doh. But once we put it in our microwave, you never know what's gonna come out. Whoa, that's a lot of slime. Let's see what we have inside of our slime. I can't believe it! We got another ultra rare Shopkin! This one's name is Delish Donut. Next up, we have some green Play-Doh. I'll take it out to prove to you that it's just regular Play-Doh. We created more slime! I love the color of this slime. It reminds me of Flubber. This slime is just so much fun. Let's see who's hiding inside of our green slime. Oh, these Minecraft characters thought they could camouflage in here. Our last can is going to be this orange one. Once again, we just have a brand new can of orange Play-Doh. And then we put it in our microwave. We created orange slime. This slime is the exact color of my nails. And inside of our slime, it looks like we have a little mouse or something. Oh, it's Gus from Cinderella. This is a Disney Tsum Tsum. Here's all of our surprise toys. Well, this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!
Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.